Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. Today we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to general agriculture which have been repeated in most of the competitive exams. Moving on to the first question. Current cropping intensity of India is? The current cropping intensity of India is 142 and it can be calculated by the formula gross cropped area by net sown area into 100. Directorate of Knowledge Management in Agriculture is situated at DKMA is situated at Delhi. National Mission on Micro Irrigation is started in which year? The National Mission on Micro Irrigation was started in the year 2010 under the 11th 5-year plan. Next question. Growing field crops between two fastly growing trees is known as? This is known as alley cropping, and growing of the crops in alternate strips to prevent the soil erosion is called as strip cropping. Upper limit of glycosinolate fixed by government in mustard oil is? Glycosinolate and the upper limit of glycosinolate fixed by government in mustard oil is 0.5%. Mustard variety which was first developed through biotechnology. It is Bio 902. It is also called as Pusa Jai Kisan. It is a first variety which is developed through biotechnology by using the somatic hybridization, and it was developed by V.L. Chopra. Most critical stage of irrigation in sugarcane is? The most critical stage of irrigation in sugarcane is formative stage, which is 60 to 130 days after planting. Insect which damages the potato in both field and storage conditions is? The potato tuber moth, which is Thorimia operculella, attacks the potato in field and in storage conditions. Next question. Color of onion is due to the chemical. The color of onion, that is the yellow color of onion, is due to the chemical quincertine. Next question. Panama wilt is associated with which crop? Panama wilt, which is caused by Fusarium oxysporum Forma specialis cubensis, is associated with banana. Fat soluble vitamin is? Usually vitamins are classified into water soluble and fat soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. So the option is all. Mineral soil generally contains -% of organic matter. The mineral soil usually contains 20% of organic matter. Scientist associated with rose breeding. B.P. Paul is the scientist who is associated with rose breeding, and there is also a variety in rose which is B.P. Paul. And Yoshida is the scientist who is associated with natural farming. C.D. Mai and C.T. Patel are the cotton scientists. Edible part of papaya and mango is? The edible part of papaya and mango is mesocarp, which lies in between epicarp and endocarp. What is the latest 17th essential nutrient added in the list of essential nutrients? As of now, there are the 17 essential nutrients, and the last, that is the 17th element which is added into this group is nickel. Number of cereals covered in minimum support price are? Minimum support price is issued by CACP, which is Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices, and it issues MSP for 7 cereals and 5 pulses, 7 oilseeds and 4 commercial crops. Next question. Average size holding of marginal farmers is? Based on the size of the land holdings, the farmers can be divided into 5 groups, that is marginal less than 1 hectare, small 1 to 2 hectares, semi-medium 2 to 4 hectares, medium 4 to 10 hectares, and large farmers who have a land holding greater than 10 hectares. So the average size of marginal holding farmer is less than 1 hectare. Square of standard deviation is? The square of standard deviation is variance. Rice Gandhi bug damage rice at which stage? rice gandhi bug damages the rice at milky stage. Bordiox mixture was developed by. It was developed by Millardet in the year 1882 in France to control the downy mildew of grapes, which is caused by Plasmopara viticola. The composition of Boridox mixture is copper sulfate, lime and water in the ratio of 1:1:100. Piezometer is used for measuring. Piezometer is an instrument which is used to measure the water table. Largest group of soils in India. The largest group of soil in India is the alluvial soil. Next question. What is the site of beta oxidation? Beta oxidation is the process in which the fatty acids are broken down into simpler compounds. That means acetyl coenzyme A and other smaller compounds. And the site of beta oxidation is mitochondria. AICRP, that is All India Coordinated Research Project on Sesamum, is located at. It is located at Jabalpur. Even the NRC, that is National Research Center of Sesamum, is also located at Jabalpur. Country with highest area under transgenic crops is. The country which is having the highest area under transgenic crops is USA, and India is in the 5th position under the transgenic crops, and the crop which has the highest area under transgenics is soybean. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.